Pour in the cleaning solution and click the Clean button. After running the machine for 5 minutes, open the nut to drain the cleaning solution. Then wash with clean water 2 to 3 times. Remove discharge seat assembly for cleaning. Cleaning cylinder. Cleaning mixer shaft. Clean the mixing shaft seal ring. Clean discharge seat and seal ring. Clean the discharge cover. Discharge seat assembly. Agitator shaft assembly. Drain seal ring. Locking nut, discharge cover plate, discharge base. Plumb nut. Discharge seat seal ring installation. Discharge cover plate installation. Stir shaft seal ring installed. Apply Vaseline. Then install the mixing shaft into the feed cylinder. Install the discharge seat and secure it with a club nut.